Ever wondered how much water your garden actually needs? The answer lies in understanding the basics of garden irrigation. It's not just about watering your plants, it's about doing it right. Overwatering and underwatering can both spell disaster for your green friends. Efficient irrigation is a balancing act, providing just the right amount of water at the right time. It's about quenching the thirst of your garden without drowning it or leaving it parched. So, how do you ensure your garden gets its thirst quenched appropriately? Let's dive in. Achieving efficient garden irrigation involves a few simple steps. It starts with an understanding of your garden's unique needs. Consider the types of plants you're nurturing, the nature of your soil, and your local climate. Each of these factors contributes to how often and how much you need to water. Next, select an irrigation system that aligns with your garden's specific needs. You could opt for a drip irrigation system, which delivers water directly to the root zone of your plants, or perhaps a sprinkler system is more suitable for your lawn. Soaker hoses are another great option, especially for row crops and hedges. Finally, timing is crucial. Schedule your watering for early in the morning or late in the evening to minimize evaporation and maximize absorption. This ensures that your plants get the most from every drop of water. Remember, it's not just about watering your plants, but watering them wisely. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned. Understand your garden's water needs. Choose the right irrigation system. Schedule watering times to minimize evaporation. With these tips, you'll be on your way to a healthier, more vibrant garden. That's all for today's guide on efficient garden irrigation. Let's put these tips into action and make our gardens thrive with less water. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!